Hey guys, I've been potting these cute little planters from the Dollar Tree. And where's the other one that I just did? Oh, here it is. I have 3 more and I wanted to do those with you guys. So let me get things ready and then we'll continue. For this first one, I want to do this beautiful, I think the nickname is Pink Moonstones. I'm not sure. But yeah, I wanted to put that one in here. I think it's perfect for the unicorn. I do want to say that for these obviously type of planters, I'm not looking for growth, you know. It's more a decorative look. If you're ever on Instagram, you'll see people have collections of big, like, overgrown succulents into pots, and they stay there for a very long time, for years, as long as you keep up with the watering and things like that. The succulent will stay looking really nice. At least that's what I've seen on Instagram. So yeah, I wanted to do that with this one. It's so pretty. I don't drop it. I'm gonna trim some of her roots off. So cute. See if I can get her to stay put. You know what? Let's see. Different angle. Fits better this way. Okay. Once these grab on to the soil really good, they get really solid and put in place. Trying to lift it up here a little bit. This type of potting is so messy because you're just trying to get the soil in there to fall into all little cracks in there. I think I got it. Okay, I think this one is all set. This one is this cute fox. I really haven't given a lot of thought of what I'm going to put in there for the fox. Oh, I know. Forgot I wanted to do that. this beautiful Angaboides. Look at how pretty it is. I don't know if it's the lipstick one. It looks like it. So pretty with the colors of the planter. Still has room to grow, this one. This one's all set. That was easier. It has space. And now for this hedgehog, we already have a hedgehog done, but it needs to be redone. So let me see what I was thinking about for this one. Okay, so for the hedgehog, I'm gonna go ahead and do this beautiful, it's probably, I don't know, some type of echeverria or something. It doesn't have a name, but it's really pretty. First time owning it. I bought 3 of these. My intentions were to put 3 of them together, but obviously changed my mind. Okay. So these, obviously I get them from the Dollar Tree, and I don't get all of them. I don't like all of them. I didn't like the moose. Sorry, moose lovers. I just didn't like the way the moose looked. I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know what else I'm missing, but there's different kinds all the time that come up. So far for this collection, I have this whole collection. Let's see. I have this whole collection. So the moose, I think, was like a penguin, a polar bear, and a moose, I think it was. So I'm not sure. I didn't like the moose. I think I would have liked the polar bear. I don't remember. And the penguin. I don't recall seeing it in person, but I did see the moose. Oh, I do have the other one, the jaguar and the elephant. Those were really nice. Okay, I think this is all done. I just gotta clean them up and set them up where I wanted to display them, and I'll show you guys how they look. All done. Look at how cute they look all together right there, especially next to that one. So precious. That's how I wanted to see them, with big beautiful plants in them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.